Hello and welcome back. And in today we're going to be talking about freezing pane. Now, freezing pane basically is a feature in Excel that allows you to be able to fix a particular column in a particular position while you scroll around without it being affected. Let's say, for example, I'm actually putting up a data entry for apple, oranges, banana, and grape. Now, if I want to put up a new column here to be able to enter the figures, I can't see what product that I'm actually putting in. So you see, I would have to always come in here and then enter a figure. Let's say, for example, 8, but I really don't know if that's an apple or that's an. I would have to always scroll back to be able to check if it's an apple, and that could be very time consuming. Now, for you to be able to do that, all I'm going to do is to freeze the pane. Now, for me to do that, all you will do is just fix this column. So I'm going to select this column, which is the product column. Then I'm going to go to the view tab and I'm going to click on the freeze pane and say freeze the first column. So this will fix it that if I'm moving, scrolling from left to right, you can see basically that I can actually see my product in one place being fixed without having to change, and I can actually carry on with my duties knowing the fact that I can actually see the products right here on the left. Now, if you found this very helpful, please do want to like, comment, and share. And if there's any questions you'd like me to talk about or any video requests you'd like me to do, please put it on the comment section and I'll do my best to be able to create that video. I'll see you in the next video.